There are few internet businesses that can compare to Amazon in terms of size. Fortunately, Amazon is a simple way to start for any business owner searching for a new way to make money. You may use their platform in a number of ways to spread the wealth, according to them. How simple it is to become an Amazon bestseller or to make other substantial money on Amazon may surprise you. Whether you are selling something or not, there are numerous methods to make money on Amazon. Here are a few ways Amazon can help you make money, regardless of the abilities or resources you possess. But before we start our video, please subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon for all the latest updates. Number 7. Retail arbitrage. Have you ever purchased something from your neighborhood big box retailer, such as Walmart, and felt the price was excellent? Buying in bulk at a discount might be profitable if you use retail arbitrage. With retail arbitrage, you may use big box retailer discounts to your advantage and earn by reselling those goods on Amazon. You may increase your revenue significantly for many products by utilizing discounts, clearance sales, and other promotional opportunities. You can use your smartphone to scan barcodes and use the FBA revenue calculator to figure out whether a specific product is profitable to sell on Amazon. To succeed at retail arbitrage, you must put in a lot of effort. If you believe that you can get by buying clearance things whenever you see them, you will probably end up being dissatisfied. You might discover that you can truly make money if finding great deals is your thing. Number 6. Amazon Mechanical Turk. The Mechanical Turk project can be ideal for you if all you want is to earn a little additional cash without having to launch a significant endeavor, find an audience, or sell anything. One of the forms of Amazon employment that requires the fewest initial investments is this one. With the help of this program, anyone can join Amazon's massive workforce of remote workers. Participating in surveys, as well as editing and validating content, may be among your duties. It's not a quick way to become wealthy, but you might earn $15 or more per hour and fit these duties in around your other activities with ease. This may be the ideal program for anyone searching for a straightforward side hustle to earn a few additional dollars. Number 5. Fulfillment by Amazon. Making money on Amazon with an Amazon FBA business is less popular alternative, but you can still generate money without bothering about delivery or customer service. Once the items are dispatched, they are kept in an Amazon warehouse where they can earn you money on the Amazon marketplace without you having to do anything. This initiative is used by Amazon Prime to speed up the delivery of goods to customers. Send your goods to an Amazon center and let them handle delivery via the Amazon FBA service. Customers wouldn't even recognize the change, which explains why this program is so little known. You will be charged in units as an Amazon FBA seller based on weight and size. If your merchandise doesn't sell, you also have to pay a monthly storage cost. An Amazon FBA business may be a far better choice for you than direct selling on Amazon, depending on what you have to sell. Number 4. Kindle Direct Publishing. Do you have access to a group of writers, or you are the one yourself? A publishing house is no longer necessary in order to publish your work. You can publish Kindle books on the Kindle platform using Kindle Direct Publishing. You are eligible to receive 70% of the royalties on total sales. On this platform, you have access to more than simply digital Kindle books. Additionally, hard copies can be printed. Profitable writing is essential to this line of work. A few bestsellers will work wonders. But to be successful with Kindle publishing, you really need to produce new content consistently. Additionally, since you won't have an agency or publisher to help you spread the word, your work will need to sell itself, or you will need to manage all the marketing. Number 3. Amazon Merch. Do you consider yourself to be a designer or an artist? You might be a good fit for Amazon Merch. If you're aware of cultural trends or have access to simple design tools, you might be able to create excellent designs that sell on this platform even if you are not an expert. You may market your designs on t-shirts, sweatshirts, and a variety of other items. To sell your goods on Amazon, you won't have to pay anything. Printing, shipping, packaging, and customer care are all handled by Amazon. You only need to register, upload your design and price, then add a description and color to your listing. You'll receive a royalty for each design you sell. Your earnings are based on how much the product sells for and how much it costs to sell it on Amazon. Number 2. Amazon Handmade. Think again. If you believe that Etsy were the only website that offered high-quality handmade products, you can sell apparel, jewelry, accessory, art, and other handcrafted items on Amazon Handmade. You will receive a unique URL from Amazon Handmade, which will make it much simpler for all of your consumers to find your store. Compared to other selling accounts, Amazon offers handcrafted vendors greater convenience and lower prices. For a professional selling account, you would need to pay $39.99 per month, although handmade vendors are exempt from this charge. Just add 15% of your total sales price as a referral fee. Number 1. Affiliate marketing. Being an Amazon affiliate is one of the easiest ways to get large revenue on the site without selling anything directly. The affiliate program for Amazon is a true titan in the world of Amazon revenue. You can become an Amazon affiliate if you have online exposure, whether it comes via a website, blog, or your role as a community moderator. All you have to do is suggest items on Amazon in a product category that will interest your target market. You will receive a commission if your audience clicks on the affiliate link and purchases something. The Amazon affiliate typically receives between 4 and 10% of the product's purchasing price. It's really simple to join the Amazon affiliate program, and it has the potential to be quite profitable. These are the 7 best ways to make money with Amazon. And also please subscribe to our channel SmartYourBiz. Our mission is to show you how to build a profitable business online with affiliate marketing, e-commerce, and freelance step by step. From your first step to your first customer. SmartYourBiz. Stop dreaming. Make it happen.